What I have here today is the jump starter with air compressor. This is a 4-in-1 multitask device. It's a 12-volt diesel universal. And just so you guys know, this is jump start, air compressor, flashlight, power bank. How awesome is that? And just kind of like looking over the box here, you can see it's got the remaining power display there. It's got a Type-C charging port, an LED light, an air outlet, USB 5-volt, 3-amp out, 9-volt. You know, it has a lot of stuff, and it has a battery clip interface. So just so you know what that is, it's a little flip. And let's go over some of the things. It has over current protection, overcharge protection, which is basically, this is their BMS, the battery management system. Over discharge protection, overheat protection, reverse connectivity protection, over voltage protection. Tires, you can do motorcycles, and you can do basketball, soccer balls, balloons. Hey, how you like how they spelled tire, T-Y-R-E? That's awesome. Let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, just cutting this open here. Well, how you like that? It's a bag in a box. I love it when companies do this. So let's just open it up. And the name on this thing is Scatach, S-C-A-T. I don't even know how would you pronounce that? I don't know. Pretty good quality zipper too, and it's got a little lanyard right there. Okay, looking over it here, here's the unit itself. A little set of instructions. Oh, and a little inspection sticker. Don't you love seeing an inspection sticker? Whether they did it or not, it's always great to see that. Okay, you have the things to do that, to do the jump start. So you're getting a jump start set. You're getting a USB-C charging, a air inlet outlet, like screw-in outlet, and I'm guessing you might get more stuff with this. Wow, this thing looks awesome. This is actually pretty cool looking. And then peel this off. That came off of there. Ooh, listen to that sound. Oh, there it is. Check it out, everybody. So inside a little hidden compartment here, you're going to get an air inflator, a basketball-like needle for inflating, or a soccer ball or basketball, whatever. That's always handy to have. On the back of it, it says, you know, it's 12-volt, capacity is 59 amp hours. It's 150 PSI as far as like up on that. Inflate takes 5 minutes, countdown 180 seconds. Let's just go ahead and fire this up. Holding that down right away, it starts. It's in bar. And then you can adjust it. Let's go ahead. And it looks like it has car, bicycle. Let's see if we can turn it on. That lets you know how much battery power you got. PSI. So 36 PSI. Now, okay, there's the little flashlight. Very bright little LED light. Got an emergency flasher on it. Hold that down. I'll see how that works. Hold it down for 3 seconds. You got a LED, a little bright LED. Then it's got a strobe and then a fast strobe. You know, I'm looking over this thing. It's pretty solid. Now, I don't have a dead battery to try this on, so y'all are just going to have to take my word for it that this works. I'm not going to run my car battery down to test this thing. And it has the green and red light on it. So right now, I think what I'm going to do, I do have a low. Let's just check my tire because I think my tire's a little low. And let's put it on car. And then on car, they've got it at 36. Let's go 30. Well, you know what? Let's go 36. Well, it was definitely low. We're at 21. So let's go. We got it set on 36. So I'm going to let this run here. Look, it already went up 1 pretty quick. I'm going to go around and inflate all of these tires using this. And out of the box, it came with 3 bars technically. Okay, we're at 35 right now. Let's see what it does if it actually shuts itself off at 36, just like I programmed 35.5. I do like how it does the 0.5 in between to kind of give you that very finite number of like compression on there. 36, right on the money. So this thing shut off on its own right at 36. I probably lost a little bit right there, probably 1 psi. So technically I'm at 35. Well, that worked, and it seemed to use 1 bar of energy. Like I said, this is straight out of the box, and I have not charged this thing or anything. Everybody, this is something I highly recommend you keep in your vehicle. Any type of battery like starter, jump starter like this, because I do a lot of couple of remote camping, and people are like, oh, I have jumper cables. When jumper cables don't do you any good unless you have somebody with you. And if you're like solo camping and you get out and your battery's dead, well, you're walking if you don't have a jump starter. Get something like this. You have a flat tire, you can fix it. You need a little quick flashlight or a charge bank. Let's use it as a charge bank and see what it does. You're gonna plug it in, turn it on, and then once you turn it off and then turn it on, now it's charging. You can see right there, I'm at 69% and going up, and it is charging. So this thing is also a power bank if you're out of power on your cell phone. How cool is that? And this thing has a lot of power in here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today for the jump starter. You know, the 4-in-1 jump starter. Flashlight, compressor, power bank, jump starter. I don't know, maybe a brick to break something if you need to. See y'all in the next video. Woo!